Hey sub family, welcome back to another video guys. So today I got the 2005 Kia Spectra EX and I'm going to show you guys how to install wind deflectors on this 2005 Kia Spectra EX guys. And this also applies for other vehicles as well. So you can use this as an example, but let's go ahead and get straight to the video. So we will be installing the first wind deflector and this is on the passenger side of the vehicle. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to see this red plastic over this 3M tape right here. And you want to just go ahead and take the corner and peel that off. You could peel it off just like this, and then you're going to grab it and take it all the way down right here, just like this. And then you're going to do the same thing right here. As you guys can see, it's a little hard to tear off there. And you want to do the one up here, just like so. And then now there is some pieces on here to protect these prongs. Now there ain't one on this one, I don't know why, but there is some shrink wrap on these, and what you want to do is go ahead and just peel it off just like that, and just like that. And that's all you need to do to remove everything from the back. And now it's ready to install on the passenger side. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the car door and roll down the window just like so. So as you can see, the window's nice and rolled down here, and you want to just put your leg right here just for a minute, and you're going to see these two prongs sticking out right here. You want to go ahead and place them on the frame just like this, and then push them down. And then you're going to do the same thing for the back one here, and then you're going to push that down just like that. And before you apply pressure, you want to adjust it just like this and make sure it's in the correct position. I'm gonna go ahead and shut that door for a minute. And now that it's in the correct position, you can then go ahead and push them down again because they come up a little bit. Once you get it lined up with this end and lined up with this end right here, you want to go ahead and keep it lifted up like this. And then once it's clipped in, you pull down, and then you're gonna push forward, just like this. You're gonna push forward, and you're gonna apply pressure. Comes out a little bit there, but that's totally fine. And then now you're gonna apply some pressure here, just like that, along the door. As you can see right here, it's lined up with the edge, and then you're gonna follow it all the way down here. And then as you can see right here, it's lined up with right there. And then these little prongs that stick up right here, they're pushed down. So after you do that, you just want to apply pressure to the frame, just like that. And then you want to go ahead and shut the door. And then after you do that, there's a little metal piece in here that sticks out. It has to be pushed out. It's a little hard to push this out, but you push it out just like this, just like that. And then you're going to push it inside of the rubber seal right here. There is a metal clip, prong, whatever you want to call that, and then there's one right there as well. You just want to make sure those are all the way down, seated on the frame. And then after you do that, you want to just go ahead all the way through and apply pressure. And I already have done that, but you want to take both of your hands and apply pressure up here just like this. And that helps the 3M adhesive tape stick better. And also, I meant to say to you guys, I do have an alcohol pad here that comes with the deflectors here. Now, you do want to wipe this area off, and I already did that, so I didn't show that in the video, but I'm going to show you on the rear one, and that's what you want to do. It comes with like 3 of them, so I got 2 more. I'm going to go ahead and wipe the frame of the door off with the alcohol pad that was provided. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up, and then you just want to wipe this door frame just like this. And then after you do that, you want to just let that dry. The alcohol prep pad that I wiped it with, it is now dry. So you want to go ahead and open up the door and roll down the window like so for the rear passenger side. And then I'm going to close that for 1 minute. Go ahead and just take this plastic protectant off of here. And then after that, we're going to go to the back and we're going to remove this plastic from this 3M tape just like this. Just simple and easy. Then we're gonna take the plastic pieces off of the prongs right here, just like that. And now we're gonna open the door up. You're gonna support it with your leg. And then what we're gonna do here is we're gonna line it up just like so. So once you line it up towards the edge there, you wanna go ahead and pull down on the deflector and then press in place. And then here is the other prong right there, or clip. And you want to go ahead and push down on that clip just like that. And then apply pressure along the way. And then now we're at the edge and this is sticking out right here. You want to go ahead and push this up, just a little upward like that, and push it into the plastic right there. And that will hide that away just like that. And then now you want to shut the door and apply pressure all along the deflector at the top portion so the 3M can adhere to the frame just like this. And that is how you install the rear wind deflector on the passenger side. And guys, I had already installed the wind deflector on the driver's side and I will show you that. But you do the same thing you did to the passenger side front and the passenger side rear door. The job is complete. I installed the wind deflectors on both sides. And as you can see, this is the driver's side. And wow, if it don't look very low profile and sleek, I absolutely like the stance that it gives the 2005 Kia Spectra. And you can see from the front how low profile these wind deflectors are. And this is the passenger side of the 2005 Kia Spectra. Guys, these make the vehicle look so much sportier. I absolutely like the way it matches with my rims on here as well. But as you can see, I got the gunmetal rims with the low profile wind deflectors. And you can't see them from the front on this side. They don't even stick out, which is absolutely amazing. And this is a view from the driver's side. And as you can see, they are nice and sleek on this side as well from the back. And this is the passenger side from the back as well. They're nice and sleek from the back. Wow, guys, I definitely recommend these 100%. I will put them in the description below. I thank each and every one of you guys for subscribing to my channel. It's much appreciated. I love you guys so much. We're about to hit 3,000 subscribers, and let's keep going, guys, because the more we get up there, the better things are gonna get, the more you guys can see. I love y'all. Okay, guys, so I hope you liked the video on how to install the wind deflectors on the 2005 Kia Spectra EX, guys. And if you could, I'd appreciate it if you could like, comment, and subscribe. And I just want to let you guys know, Jesus is King. God bless you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one. I'm gonna do a little end dance for you guys, okay? Let's get ready.